Okay, so I've been wanting to do a video for a long time as far as how to do stocks and beginning stock ideas and people that are interested in especially with the stock market and so I just kind of wanted to show I haven't done it in a long time, and even when I was doing it back in the days I consider myself a rookie, like I was still learning the process, but I got into a good rhythm of figuring out you know what was the trend and certain ways to uh, guess the market and kind of predict. Also, there's always a risk and a chance when you're doing investments in stocks and things like that. But when you do research and some information, you know what you're betting on, you can win. You can make good money. But just thought it was interesting back when in 2017 I made like watch lists of stocks that I was watching or that I thought it had potential that would be good. Ones that related to like the marijuana laws and what countries and what stocks were associated with that. So I wanted to look through right now because of the whole coronavirus. A lot of things are going on with the world, the economy, the flow. I wanted to look back and see how that's affected everybody on stocks, and you can kind of see who's benefiting from, the hoarding, who's benefiting from, the selling out the supermarkets, not going to work anymore, certain services, like the telecom and electric companies. People are getting money still, and people are getting paid and benefiting from disasters like this. So I was always since the 9/11 thing happened, I was always interested on seeing looking into that once I learned how the economy and the numbers work. I made a list at Rubin Million and or stocks I thought they would these were good ones, stick with them, come back to it, and you always make money with them. And right now these are doing good. TerraTech Pharmaceuticals, these are all the ones that sell the marijuana, the dispensaries, and distributes cannabis throughout the anywhere, the U.S., Canada. They're up 15%. And this is after everybody was dropped. The whole market went down for like I think a couple of days, and it was like everything low. And then once they got a rhythm of what was going on, then today these numbers popped up. Cara 13%. But some of the ones I thought were pretty interesting, there was kind of messed up that I noticed. Seeing Microsoft, Intel, you can kind of see the names and how much percent they went up. Some of the ones that are zero red, they went into the bigger market, so they're not on this kind of lower market. But you'll see a lot of the big ones in there. And if for a big brand like Wells Fargo and Bigger to go up that much percent is a big deal because it's like numbers. These are like points, and it can make a big difference. But anyways, that's getting deeper into as far as profits. But look at everything is all plus. Everything's all 5% or more. That's a big deal. You invest. You have this information. You just invest the right way. You can make good money back. What else did I see? I put one that said Trump. Anything that was related to Trump at that time when he was running for president, I predicted which ones were going to go down, which ones were going to go up, and I was right every single time. So right now, 8% up. This is the one that was disturbing to me. BioNTech SE, BNTX, and the bonds, look at 66.50% went up. And what they're associated with is, look how high it went up. They're associated with the, healthcare, biotech, the things that are related to the stimulus pack, things that Trump was kind of pushing for, that's related to the coronavirus. And you can read back on all the history how it led up to it, all the way back to, this is from the app, so it goes back to the 16th. But you can read about everything that's related to the stock and how much it's gone up. So anybody that's invested in that. Same thing with a lot of these other ones. So you just do your research, make your own, predictions. Look at this one. I didn't even look at this. Look, everything's up on this one. I put future prospects. 30%, 40%, 60%. SCI work for them now. They're down 1%. So let's see. So yeah, so you just gotta kind of watch it. Petco's up 14%. Northrop Grumman. Yeah, so all these companies I used to work for. So it's interesting to see how they're doing financially in these times. So that's it. So I'm gonna try to make some more videos as far as kind of the tutorials, how to start, where to sign up. This app here is an Ally, app.